When you go out to buy a flat, the price quoted to you is your basic sale price, with a small disclaimer that it could include some miscellaneous charges. But often these miscellaneous charges end up inflating the price of your flat by 5 to 10 lakhs. What is it that you failed to read while buying your flat? Let's find out. Sangeeta is like one of the many who belong to India's aspiring middle class, who dream of one day owning a home of their own. Sangeeta did fulfill her dream, but she was not prepared for the deceit that followed.
I purchased it and paid the charges, and stamp duty and other charges I have already paid. But after around 2 years, later on, I have discovered that two different rates are being charged by different colonizers. And one set of colonizer is charging 5, 6 and 7%, whereas the other one is charging 3, 4 and 5%. So my question is that for the same area, why there are two different sets of stamp duty charges are being collected from the average house owner?
Retired Army officer Colonel Tandon also stumbled upon a peculiar irregularity in the registration of his flat.
बिल्डर ने क्या किया, 1812 स्क्वायर फीट का जो फ्लैट्स जो कि उसने डिक्लेरेशन भरी है गवर्नमेंट के डीटीसी को और रजिस्ट्रार को, वो रेजिडेंस को उसने 2032 स्क्वायर फीट दिखाकर दे दिया और उसकी रजिस्ट्री भी करा दी। इससे क्या हुआ कि रेजिडेंस जो भी फ्लैट बायर है उसको 220 स्क्वायर फीट के पैसे ज़्यादा देने पड़े, जो ना कि गवर्नमेंट के पास गए लेकिन वो सीधे बिल्डर के पास गए। उसके ऊपर उसको एक्स्ट्रा स्टैम्प ड्यूटी भी देनी पड़ी, गवर्नमेंट के पास चलेगी, अब उसको मेंटेनेंस भी उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा देनी पड़ी।
In both cases, like any common home seeker, they trusted that the figures quoted by their builder in the official documents would be accurate, be it the stamp duty or be it the size of their unit. But with just a minor tweaking of numbers that often gets lost in the opaqueness of official documents, the builder manages to rake in a sizable margin. Ashish Kaul, who has been rallying together with other residents, filing RTIs and demanding answers from their builders, says that irregularities in the valuation of your flat is spread across property markets in Haryana.
Some builders are charging collector rate at the present prescribed rate of the registering authority, which is 4,000 rupees per square feet. But some builders are undervaluing the property and getting it registered on 2,300. Now, if I do not know, the builder is sending me this statement that you have to pay at the rate 2,300. I am paying it understandingly that this is the correct statement and the amount that I have to pay is justified, and this is what the authority is demanding. But the builder is undervaluing my property. Tomorrow, I am uncertain what my liabilities will be towards the registration authorities.
With no fixed guidelines to determine the valuation of a flat, every builder follows his own calculation.
If the BSP of any of the flats is 50 lakhs, so आप उसमें 10 लाख के अराउंड आप उसमें और ऐड ऑन कर लो, जो भी आपके जितने भी EDC IDCs हैं, क्योंकि सारे के सारे जो EDC IDCs हैं वो अभी सारे रिवाइज हुए हैं, स्पेशली इन हरियाणा, तो जो भी मेरे ख्याल से 2.5 times रिवाइज हुए हैं।
Some add external and internal development charges and enhanced development charges to the basic sale price to arrive at the final valuation. Some others add escalated area charge, increased material costs, preferred location charges, car parking, power backup charges and the likes to determine the final valuation. But RTI queries clearly state that only the allotment price of the flat is taken for registration and no other overhead components can be considered. These revelations are just the tip of the iceberg. Many hapless buyers fall for the gimmickry of fancy marketing. But until the industry gets a regulator, you need to become your own watchdog. Start asking questions, demand to know what you're paying for. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.